Okay, this is a quick overview of how to create a pop-up message that will guide a balloon that will guide somebody through learning a new process or help them to remember how to do it later on. Because what this balloon, what the pop-up guide does is allow you to string a bunch of pop-up balloons to guide somebody through building a process. Um, and it's a WPF application that they can have on their desktop and use it first to learn something, and then if they've forgotten how to do something, they can come back and walk through the guide again. I think it's a lot better than a video because it allows a person to get hands-on learning. They can explore around as they go through the pop-ups. So I use this. This is a WPF application called Window Balloon Multiple Controls. It allows you to put multiple controls inside a balloon on a window. But this entire screen is something that I've written called Ideal Automated Explorer. It's just like a file explorer, except you have tabs across the top for different sections, and it can be downloaded from idealautomate.com. What this particular screen is showing is all the things that I've written a bunch of WPF applications for doing different things like finding the caret position, putting stuff in somebody's clipboard, writing to a database, finding an image on the screen. General idea is that you want to be able to read and write to any area on the screen with these automated things. So let's look at this. The tool allows me to just click on Run to run the WPF application without opening up Visual Studio and so forth. So here's the thing to create the balloon that's going to guide somebody through a process. And this consists of a number of buttons that you just click on a button and that'll add that control to the balloon. So for example, that would be my heading for the balloon. Uh, I'm going to open up the browser so I can position this. So to open up a new window, sorry. So to position the pop-up, I can add an image to the pop-up or whatever you've seen. So whatever. So I'm going to have it pointing to there. So I say position pop-up. I could use the absolute pixels on the screen, but relative to an image, I want it to be relative to this image here, or that, and this is the arrow direction that you want. Default is fine. It decides what the best direction to put the arrow is. So I want to have the balloon point there. Then I say Google. And that's it. So I can display a prototype to see how that's going to work. And there it tells me how to use Google. That's it. And then when I click OK, that shows me the code that was generated, and I just slap this into my WPF application, and that is the code that's needed. It generates it in Notepad here when I click on OK to exit the application. So this put all the code that I need to use to generate that pop-up. So that's how easy it is to generate pop-ups, to guide somebody through and give them hands-on skills rather than just watching videos and stuff. Thanks for watching.